Hi, Wes! Hello po.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Alam ko, ang tagal na nung huli kang nagsama sa amin para
Oo,
Oo,
mag-react. Mm.
mag-react, di ba?
So, I don't know
Grabe.
if I still have it. Wow, akala mo na.
Oo. Pero ganito, thank you so much, Harry, for joining me sa hiatus ng ating bestie.
Yes.
Bilang nandito ka para samahan akong mapanood tong Toy Friend. So, I just wanted to share this na parang during the wakas at simula era, parang maraming nagbulong sa amin. And hindi ito yung observation namin because hindi kami aware na parang lost
Mm.
opportunity daw kung hindi magkameron ng music video ang SB19 at saka ang BE:FIRST. So, nung
Yeah,
una confused ako pero because BE:FIRST is so big in
Japan.
Japan, na parang sobrang sayang if hindi magkakameron ng MV itong collaboration na ito. And I just want to say this, no, I love Toy Friend. 'Di ba? Parang
Yes.
it's this service to all of us, to the Japanese fans if hindi natin sila mapapanood sa isang music
Pero the
video.
question is, have you ever experienced being a toy friend?
I wanted to be. Chiri! Ganito ha, ganito. Not to over-explain, not to assume, pero sabi talaga, when you come to think of it, nung inilabas ng SB19 yung parang set list or yung
Mm.
magiging part ng new album nila, parang Toy Friend talaga has a different connotation.
Oo, true. Mm.
Oo, may different connotation siya, but alam nyo, as artists, they need to be bold sometimes, 'di ba? Um, parang ano, parang ano 'to, parang basta parang marami siyang interpretation na puwede natin
Yes,
mapag-usapan
very
ng mahabang
actually, yun
podcast.
naman talaga, kailangan gano'n naman talaga yung title of song. Parang controversial, agad-agad, para makakuha mo agad yung attention. So,
Ganito 'to, Harry, ganito lang naman 'yun, parang nagpaliwanag dati si Pablo sa isang interview na parang explanation niya dito sa Toy Friend is, your one-sided, feeling is not being reciprocated the same way. Parang may
mm.
gano'ng relasyon, eh, that you are just a convenient to that person while you
Yes.
genuinely love that person. Oh, you're just a toy friend. Ikaw, Harry,
Hmm.
naramdaman mo na bang maging toy friend or magkaroon ng toy friend?
Ay, parang both. Wow, ang
One
dumi,
way
ang
or
dirty
another.
pala.
So one way or another. Well, anyway, let's react to Toy Friend. Of course, uh, wala pa ako idea but we saw the teaser. It's very Japanese heavy. I mean, so let's watch.
Ang taray, very Alice in Borderland.
Very ano?
Alice in Borderland yung ano.
Oo, ganito yung aesthetic nila, 'di ba, sa Alice in
True.
Borderland. Oo, okay, okay. So Tokyo Tower, I wanted to
Yes.
go back to, alam mo ang goal every year dapat mag-Japan
Fairness,
ka
in fairness, basta hindi pa tayo nagja-Japan, boss.
together.
Kaya, together.
Let's go together. Ay, ano ba
Pwede.
unahin natin? Oo.
Ang
Every year
dami.
nagja-Japan
Ang
dapat.
dami naka-inline.
Mm.
Eh, para bang anak mayaman. Go.
True.
You think I'm just somebody to play with for the night? You're crazy ritual.
Ang ano, I just have to say this, no, first things first. Ang ganda ng tindig dun ni Pablo.
At hindi lang yung tindig ni Pablo.
Anong maganda pa sa kanya?
Yung yung tinig ni Pablo. Hindi.
Yeah, I
Ayan,
agree. I quite
eh,
agree.
'di ba?
Yeah. Maliban sa tindig,
Tindig
maganda din
at
ang
saka
tinig.
tinig. Hmm,
Tinig. Oo. At himig ng
yes.
pagkakata. You're just somebody. Actually, ako
Yung
yung kausap
yung
niya.
tinis at
At
yung
inis. Yeah.
tinis. Parang
Oo.
pangit din pakinggan.
Actually, Just to share with you, ako yung kausap ni Pablo sa opening ng song na yan.
I
You were
support.
just somebody. Ganyan. Okay.
You think I'm just somebody to play with for the night. You're crazy at your
Let's end this. Charis.
You are fire, I will smoke. You came over to play. And I didn't know the stars that you call my name. Couldn't pay. And
Ay, eto ha, ko-comment lang ako. Eto ha, I know we often associate Ken to be very Filipino looking.
Mm-mm.
But when he walks in the Japanese street, para siyang, sorry pero para siyang sikat na Hapon.
Tsaka at the same time, best, and lahat ng mga nagja-Japan lagi or whatsoever, may makikita at makikita kayong taong Ken-like.
Totoo.
No? Yung,
Oo.
yung forma, yung aura, yung dating, ganyan na ganyan po ang Japan, yung may mga
Ganyan,
Japanese boy sa
oo.
kalye.
Para siyang
Ganyan.
pedestrian talaga. Kumbaga parang ang gusto ko sabihin is
Oo.
very Japanese. I know it sounds silly, but if you go siguro dyan, yung not typical Japanese look, parang madadama mo si Ken, akmang-akma siya dyan.
Mm.
Yan namang leg niyan.
In fairness.
Fairness. Uy, parachute.
Feels like something could go badly wrong. But the imagination took us away. Tell me why you giving me all that
Cutie.
on and off.
Well, I just have to say this, Harry, no? I love the elements of a live action, tapos may mga animation, may mga cartoon, Japanese references. It reminds me of the Lego movie na
Mm-mm.
parang Lego movie, and of course yung anong movie yun, Bes? Yung nandun si Pac-Man, andun, yung may mga gano'n, parang Lego movie nga.
Mm-mm.
Tama, di ba?
Ay, hindi ko lang
ano
maano.
movie?
Tanungin
Oo,
mo ako
pero,
sa Marvel Cinematic Universe.
oo. Parang may ganong movie eh. Parang, okay, I'll recall later. Nadali lang po. Ang cute ni Justine. Sobrang cute ni Justine.
Ang pakalayo ni Justin sa friend, di punyo ka.
Ang cute ni Kuyang naka-blue. Siya yung bias ko. At ang cute nga talaga ni Kuyang naka-blue.
Yun nga yung tunog kong bias eh.
Ang cute talaga ng beefers. Iba talaga. Oh, di ba, Bes? Parang ang cute naman ng
Ang lumanay nung galaw, di ba?
True. At saka parang may tatalo na sa moonwalk ni ni Michael Jackson. Pag
Ganun.
na-perfect to na-perfect to ng SB19 at ng Beefers, yung, tapos sumabagal talaga, Tapos mga
Oo.
30 seconds sila nakaganon. Bongga. Alam mo, iba talaga rin ang tindigan nilang nilang lahat dun. Hindi ko kinaya yung bias mo. Nag-angkas siya with the hairnet. Bes, have you read? Nabasa mo yun?
Nakakamatay desu.
Nakakamatay des. Oh, gano'n nakakamatay des. Oh, Yotsuya Street pala to. Hoy, kumain tayo sa sushi tray. Meron ba dito sa Manila?
Meron sa GH Mall. Genki.
Genki, ano yun? Per order ba yun? Per order ang
Oo,
kuha?
ata. Mukhang per order
Gusto ko
siya.
yun. Masarap sa Genki. Kain
Gaya
tayo
natin.
minsan.
Gaya tayo. Sige.
Gusto ko yung reference na yun.
I'm just
Ito ko.
another toy friend.
I love that look of
Oo.
of Stel. I just have to give it all to this frame and this styling. Sinong mag-aakala na magpo-perform si Stel sa ilalim ng ABS-CBN Tower?
Siya ba yun?
Sorry pala. Tokyo Tower pala. 'Di ba? Pero ang ganda ng pagkakaano dito ni Stel. Yung
True.
pagkaka-style niya dito.
Oo.
Gwapong-gwapo siya. Gwapong-gwapo
Oo.
siya dito. And even Justin, no? I love the outfit. Tamang tamang kita lang ang mga dapat makita, may pasilip.
Yeah.
I like Stel as buff, pero he's kind of slim dito sa frame na ito. He looks good with his hair.
Hair
Ang gwapo
talaga.
niya, yung pagka-fair ng skin. Ang gwapo niya talaga. Sorry. Tapos may konting padibdib.
I used to tell all my friends, compared to myself now, this thing is different. I can never really look in me the eyes. And times that I'm with
Ooh.
you beauty every night.
Wow.
Will you buy that toy? That
Of
limited
course.
edition toy?
Best, pati yung mga ganyan toy, very memorable sa akin yan. Yung mga tinatanggal nga sa ganyan.
Pero alam niyo,
Pero ngayon kasi ibang toy na yung ginagamit.
I saw. I have a picture of your toy. Pero ito gusto ko lang sabihin kay si Harry kasi meron niyang hinihil na yun, hinihil mo yung iyong inner child.
Yes.
Yes, 'di ba? Hinihil. So bumibili siya ng mga trend, ng mga laruang trend.
To the left, switch it up and then we go right. While you sing, can you keep a secret? I see the picture. It's like that we're out. Feels like something could go badly wrong. But our imagination took us away. But our imagination took us away. Tell me why you're giving me all that.
Alam mo,
Busog na
gusto
busog
ko-
tayo.
hindi, ano talaga, parang gusto kong bumili ng belt. I like the belt.
Tell me why you're giving me all that on and off. You think I'm just somebody to bear it for a night. You're crazy.
Grabe, oh.
Leader siguro to dun sa apat, no? Siya ba yung
Correct.
leader dun sa apat?
Baka. I'm just gonna say this, no? Of course, aangkinin natin sariling dugong Pilipino. Proud Filipino si Ken. Pero yung look na to talaga, be. Tapos you see Japanese na sobrang hot na tan, medyo tan yung color.
Yes.
Pero sobrang kinis. It's Ken. Gwapo.
It's so predictable. Following your trauma, saying you can trust no guy. And now you wanna treat me like I'm just another toy friend.
Alam mo, ito lang gusto sabihin, no? Si Josh, pwede na siya mag-transition sa Beefers.
Oo
Ang
nga.
playfulness, yung aura niya.
Yung
I'm just
outfit.
saying na napaka-versatile ni Josh. Talaga. Di ba?
I don't wanna be just another toy friend. Cause I don't wanna be just another
Boyfriend.
either way. Open up and
Yan na. A little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything and I want that everything.
it's ugly either way.
'Di ba?
Still.
Kailangan umorder ng wing part tomorrow.
Oo, parang deserve natin yung petso ng Mang Inasal with only rice kasi with the wing and the petso.
And the
Oh,
breast, combination of
yes,
wing
I
and
like
breast.
all. Oo, 'di ba?
Open up and I can give you everything you're looking for.
I just have to say this, ang ganda ng katawan, ang ganda ng fitness ni Stel.
Oo.
So kung sino man yung coach niya or what. Kasi alam mo yun, it's not that ano mapili ako. Diyos ko, kung alam niyo lang kung ano yung mga preference at gusto ko. Pero ito yung gusto ko sabihin, he can look so thin, he can look so buff, all
Mm.
in between, kaya mag-adjust.
Yeah.
Nako, di ba? I just have to I just have to say this, no. Ang ganda lang talaga ng babalikan ko rin yung una ko sinabi. Ang ganda ng tindig ni Pablo. Iba yung aura niya dito.
Mm.
Air of parang may air of ano siya confidence dun sa pagkakatayo niya. Parang
May
ako lang
air.
rin yan noon. Mahilig akong mag-tuck-in. Kasi nga Chinese school ako nag-aral. Required kami na yung polo namin, even nung elementary hanggang high school, naka-tuck-in.
Mm.
So pinagtatawanan kami ng mga taga-ibang school. Kasi ba't kami naka-tuck-in, whatsoever. Yeah. At my God, naging na siyang toy friend. Why do I feel that Justin here has the aura of of not just a Japanese uh J-pop but also K-pop, no?
Oo.
Grabe si Josh. Oh, nag-blend na talaga ang Josh. Congrats.
Cute.
Of
Ganda.
course. I just wanted to muna. Ko muna, yung Be First po hindi namin nabanggit isa-isa kasi hindi po namin sila kilala individually. So yun lang po yung katotohanan do, disclaimer lang. Hindi namin sila gustong i-ignore. It's just that hindi namin sila kilala.
Oo.
So kilalanin naman namin sila, assignment namin yan. So what's your take of this one, Bes?
Ako talagang maninindigan ako sa sa opinion ko about collaboration. It's always a win. It's always a win to make a collaboration. Sa tingin ng boys is strategic to their din naman, to their
But
success.
But you agree that hindi naman dapat ng lahat ng collab patulan, 'di ba?
Oo, yes. Kaya
This
nga sabi
one,
ko, as long as they think it's a strategic to their success.
correct. But this is a good collab. Alam mo yung
Yes.
parang may nag-share sa akin before Harry, parang even at work, even sa partnership, 'di ba, ng
Mm.
mga projects, sa trabaho po, sa labas or whatsoever. The good thing is that you know that the project is working or the collaboration is working. Pag dumating ka na sa punto na you feel as if you're for example, Josh,
Mm.
we feel like Josh is B first and B first is SB19. That's a good collaboration. Kasi there was a time talaga na parang sabi ko, hala, they blend so well, they
Mm.
jive so well, they have the same frequency.
Mm.
Di ba mahalaga po yan sa collab. Yung parang
Yes.
nag-meet sila ng middle ground. Aside from middle ground, may common ground pa sila.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I think SB19 and B First did just that with the song
Mm.
and with this music video. Oh. Anong gusto mo
And
sa music
saka
video na
show na
naging
show dun sa when yung may mga part ng video na magkakasama sila. I can feel the bond. Hindi parang hindi plastic yung bonding. I feel like medyo makulit din tong group na to, tong Be First.
Oo, parang makulit din talaga sila and then they're very cute and,
Yes.
parang gustong-gusto ko yung feel nila and of course I can share that also
Pa-comment na
because
lang yung ano, name nung naka-blue.
oh yeah, grabe yung pag-ano, yung slow-mo ng pag-gano'n nung naka-blue. Nakita mo yun, yung magkakasama sila?
Ako'y
Grabe yung
grabe yung
pag-slow.
bias wrecker ko.
Sino bang vice wrecker mo?
Si Pablo.
Ah, that's
Hindi
your
mo
opinion.
hindi mo
Keep your
napansin.
opinion to yourself. Charis! Charis lang.
Bigla nag-iba
Charis
yung
lang,
mood.
bes.
Ang ganda-ganda ng mood, tapos bigla nabago. Dahil sa
Charis
isang
lang,
comment.
bes. Of course, magkikita pa tayo forever. Pero alam mo, I loved, of course, ito na, di ba? Parang, how's the timing of the music video? Of course, at first, sabi ko dapat as soon as, sabi nga ni Miss Deliciousness, as soon as possibility. Dapat ang
Mm-mm.
music video. Pero I think this is strategic because SB19 will be performing very soon, actually tomorrow sa Osaka. And then,
Wow.
on August 15 sa Tokyo for the Summer Sonic 2026. And alam ko mapapanood to sa Wawaw. So, live stream, I love Wawaw.
We love wow.
We love Wawaw. Yeah. So, supportahan po natin ang SB19. And
Yes.
ako, just to sum it all up, I love the music video. Sometimes hindi na kailangan ng mahaba pang paliwanagan, but I love the Japanese references. You know,
Yes.
medyo bias ako pagdating sa Japan ha. Japan yung alam kong bansa na dapat balikan every year. So when you're in Japan, you're happy. I'm happy with watching this music video. It's so refreshing. They
Mm-mm.
all look so good. Not just
Yes.
SB19 but also BE:FIRST. Spot on sa styling. I think Harry hindi naman sa they will try to mimic to and they try to be Japanese. No. It's just
Yes.
that this is what we call cross-cultural
Mm-mm.
ano. Para may cross-cultural collaboration dito. It's 3 Cs. And of course, ang mahalaga dito talaga is that in some way SB19 highlighted Japanese culture, pop culture in particular. And that is actually very, for me, respectful and sobrang done beautifully well itong collaboration na to. Diba?
Yes. At of course, di rin
Yun.
naman nagpahuli yung mga Pinoy references nila. Like yung angkas, diba? The bawal tumawid.
Bawal tumawid des.
Yes.
Diba? So this is pretty much a collaboration not only by BE:FIRST and SB19 but our two cultures and countries together. So I
True.
really love this. And yun lang, 'di ba? So actually they made really the toy concept work eh, 'di ba?
Oo nga, actually. Mm-mm.
Mm.
Malalim
'Di
yung,
ba?
medyo malalim technically yung ano, yung concept ng kanta, but medyo light
And
yung,
And alam mo, Bes, aside from SB19 and BE:FIRST, ang nagko-collab na ngayon, nagko-collab na ngayon is 18 and of course, I don't know if it's pronounced right, Bestie. Kasi yun yung tawag sa ano
mm,
ng BE:FIRST eh. So, congratulations BE:FIRST and SB19. I hope for a more performance. And I hope may chance kaya na magkita sila sa Summer Sonic, abangan natin 'yan, 'di ba? Kasi
yes,
sometimes yung
oo.
mga setlist niyan magandang may isang part na may dadalhin kang cameo
And
or
it would
bisita.
be very strategic if biglang lalabas si B first sa performance nila.
Correct.
To
So,
promote this ano. Yeah.
congratulations. Congratulations SB.
Congratulations to the two
I
groups.
love the setting. I love the setup. Congratulations. This is a nice music video. So, if you wanted to support this channel, pwede po kayo mag-subscribe and of course magpa-members. And if you wanted to send us a coffee and buy us a coffee, so you can check it sa video description below. But always, you can support our channel via GCash and also via PayPal. So
PayPal.
maraming salamat po. So this is Matthew.
And this is Harry in behalf of
Thank you very
our,
much, Bess, for joining
yes,
me. Goodbye, guys.
bye.
Bye.